All right, this is the topic 8 homework number 2. Number 1 says use the number line to compare -8 and +2. So remember when we talked about this, anything to the left of the number line is getting smaller, and to the right it gets larger. So the farther you go to the left, the smaller the number is. So -8 is going to be less than +2. All right, number 2 says, one day last winter, the temperature was -7 degrees Celsius at 8 a.m. The temperature was -10 at 5 p.m. Write another inequality to compare -7 and -10. Well, -10 is further to the left on the number line. So -10 is going to be smaller. So -7 is greater than -10. Number 3 says the table shows the number of yards gained or lost by a football team on its first play with the ball in each of the 5 games. So in game 1, they lost 12 yards. Game 2, they gained 12 yards. Game 3, they lost 8 yards. Game 4, they gained 9 yards. And in game 5, they gained 4. So they want us to write the numbers in order from greatest to least. So the greatest amount of yards gained was 12. I'm going to cross that one off when I'm done. Then the next one would be +9, and then +4. And then -8 would be greater than -12 because -12 is further to the left. So that one's going to be the smallest. All right, and then it says, in which game did the team do the best on the first play? So when a football team does the best, that means they get the most amount of yards. So that would be 12 yards, which would be during game 2. Okay, so if you flip this paper over, there's a question for you guys to answer just like that one. The table shows the final scores for 5 contestants in a video game tournament. You're going to order these numbers. This time they want you to go from least to greatest, so you're going to start with the number that would be furthest to the left on the number line. And then you're going to say which contestant won and by how many points.